Hey everybody, we're here, EZ Locksmith again. We have a very unique situation this morning in Denver, Colorado. Our technician Zach is here. We had an eviction we needed to take care of. They called us and the sheriff department showed up. As you can see, the eviction is in process. Two sheriff vehicles. Our technician Zach needed to break in, unlock the door. We're gonna replace the locks here. The guy who lived here didn't pay the rent for close to a year. Very unfortunate and very sad situation. As you see, the place is completely trashed. The guy who lived here didn't pay the rent and trashed the place. The owner of the property needed to call the sheriff to come and do a legal eviction. Our tech Zach is in action. He was able to break in the front door in a few minutes, drilling the locks. The whole frame of the door, as you see, needs to be replaced as well. Again, the guy who lived here trashed the entire place. Zach, tell us what you're doing right now.
So basically, I put this door back, the whole frame, the whole door was broken on the floor. I was able to kind of repair it for now. Here I'm going to install a double-sided deadbolt. That way nobody can get in. It's double-sided, there's a key on each side. I'll put in a doorknob, and this should be good for now.
Very good, very good.
Just doing my best to patch it up. As you can see, it's completely destroyed.
Yeah. Tell us about what happened here with the sheriff.
So it was an eviction. We all met the sheriff here at 8:30 a.m. He gave us a quick brief on what we're going to do. They came over, they knocked, the guy did not answer. So I had to come in, drill in the door, and get them inside. They arrested everybody inside. That's pretty much it. And now they're just clearing the place out. I'm going to make sure it's all locked up.
Thank you. Good work.
Easy.
Right on. We installed the deadbolt, the double-sided deadbolt. It's a Schleg double-sided deadbolt, Schleg keyway. Now Zach is installing the doorknob and we should be all set. See, the benefit of a double-sided deadbolt that even if you want to get out of the house, you have to have the key. You cannot just flick a thumb turn and unlock the door. Very, very high security lock. We've been here for close to 2.5 hours now, walking with the sheriff, walking with the landlord and his attorney, making sure everything is done correctly. And we should be done pretty quickly after we're going to install these locks and move on to the next project. We try to make it easy for every customer to deal with every situation that they have. You know, if it's an eviction, if it's a business lock change, residential lock change, rekey, installing keypads, padlocks, etc. Everything you need, you can always contact us at EZ Locksmith. We will definitely make it easy for you. Doorknob installation in less than 2 minutes, professionally done by #1 technician, Zach.
Thank you.
As you see, it says on the back of our t-shirts, trust us, it is easy. Thank you for watching.